Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is feeling good today because Linda Banje Thembu Somjolo still has me gasping for oxygen, guys. Whew! I shame, guys. Begu hectic ngempela and kumele sikhulume le ndaba. Like what, guys? Ibomb kavuyo ayidrophile. Whew, guys, let's talk about it. Sit back, relax, and let's jump straight into it. As we remember, guys, Uvuyo did say ukuthi exposer Umpumelelo for the lies and the cheating that he has done in the past. Nje indlela ayemcheata ngayo and everything. So nje mina, I'm like so proud of her for doing that. And angazi noma mhlawumbe indlela enze ngayo was wrong, but mina nje there was no other way, guys. We had to hear ukuthi yini le ngaka abelindile ukusitshela yona Uvuyo ngompumelelo that we did not already know ngalo guy lo. Okay, so she really dropped a bomb and really exposed Umpumelelo for the disgusting man that he is, because Uvuyo, he got an infection allegedly from sleeping around while they were still in a relationship, and she exposed Utirelo as well for not giving her a heads up about the alleged infection. I mean, I get why Tirelo didn't tell her. They were still competing for Amafran City and they were still competing to be Umpumelelo's favorites. I'm sure they weren't close, so I think naye Utirelo wanted ukuthi naye Uvuyo ayibonele kwayena ukuthi he indoda yakhe inyanyisa kanjani, and nanokuthi ke kwakuyindlela yakhe ukuthi amzwise ubuhlungu lokhu abuzwayo naye. I wonder ukuthi if uyena Uvuyo ofind out ekuqala ukuthi Umpumelelo ne-infection allegedly, yena bezomtshela yini uTirelo ukuthi hayi ke sisi sekubhedile ke indoda yethu isikanje. So I doubt ukuthi bezomtshela ngoba naye Uvuyo mengizwa mina nje ngathi Uvuyo unesikhwele already, so I doubt ukuthi bengaba nayo leyo conversation nendoda yakhe. Mhlambe bengeke mhlambe amtshele kanjalo, mhlambe bezosola yena uTirelo ukuthi uyithole kuyena uTirelo, and then it becomes this whole fight. Bengeke nje ngimbone mina ihlala phansi naye emtshela kahle. Uqinisile uTirelo mayethi Umpumelelo owisha leyo honesty naleyo conversation leyo ukuthi sisi sekukanje ngicela sihambe siyotesta ukuze sifind out ukuthi nawe uright yini, if sekubhedile nakuwena sikwazi ukuthi siyitreat kahle and then siqhubekeke ne-relationship yethu. Axolise ke mayixolisa, but not ukuthi uTirelo umele kube uyena omtshelayo ukuthi indoda yakhe iyachitha. But when Avuyo, what did you expect ngempela? You knew what you were getting into when you met Umpumelelo, when you agreed to be in a relationship with him. You know, you should have expected the worst. Maybe you thought he only dates a virgin, or nje amantombazana ayiphethe kahle, or that he loves you enough ukuthi he practices safe sex. But amadoda nje amaningi are selfish. They think after the damage is already done. Hayi ngempela bafethu ibhlungu ngempela lento, kodwa Umpumelelo yena akayiboni inkinga, uthi vele kuba nje esithenjini. You would think ukuthi into ekanje izomphaphamisa umuntu ukuthi enze kangcono, especially ngoba unezingane ezincane futhi usaqhubeka usafuna isithembu. Kodwa hayi Umpumelelo, he is even more confident ukuthi uyabafuna labafazi abawu7. When it comes to Uvuyo nje, I think this may be the best thing she ever did on the show, because now the public knows. Sesiyazi, sesiyabona, onendlebe nje uzolalela. I hope uNosipho la ekhona ukuthi uyabuka and uyalalela, and I hope she is smart enough to watch this and distance herself away from this boy kusa early, because baby girl, this is also your future if you choose to stay. You being a virgin will not stop Umpumelelo from sleeping around and putting your life in danger. Kungcono ke futhi ngoba uTirelo uyazi ukuthi she is the biggest clown mayetshela uVuyo sarcastically ukuthi you have finally found your confidence usuyayazi iworth yakho. Like, I'm paraphrasing kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi bethini. She also has a low self-esteem. Isidima sakhe asisekho naye. Because what do you mean you're still standing by a man who got an infection allegedly from sleeping around while you were pregnant? Niyakhumbula nani guys ku-season 1. What do you mean mawuthi uzohlala through the cheating and the lies, but should uMpumelelo decide to get back together with uVuyo, then you will leave? Seems quite desperate to me. Seems like she is still competing to prove that ubekezela kangcono kunoVuyo. Kuyadabulisa, shame. Such beautiful and smart young women being broken down and accepting all the trauma which they will later on pass on to their children. I just pray and hope ukuthi bayavuka nje ngempela emaqandeni and they choose themselves and ingane zabo. Hi. Le episode nje isikhombise okuningi, even though they dragged all of this until now, but ke siyabonga ukuthi she has finally said what she wanted to say. Siyabonga noVicky naye emnika leso sibindi sokuthi akusho lokho ngoba bese sibona phela ukuthi hayi ngempela akukho sho sokuthena befuna ukusitshela khona, but shuthi ke uTirelo ngoba esho ukuthi umnike leso sibindi sokuthi ke asitsheleke. Hayi siyabonga impela ngoba sesiyazi nabazali ke nabababukayo sebezobona ukuthi nje they should keep their daughters away from this guy. So yeah guys, and futhi mina into ebengifuna ukisho ukuthi nje mawukuthi khona enye isizini elandelayo, I just think uMpilo, uLwandle noAbonge should stay away from the show because it does seem ukuthi they live very private lives and ngathi this reality TV show thing is not for them. They should stay away ke instead of yabo angibatholi kahle like the energies nje ngoba ngimuze uMpilo na yena she regrets ukuhosta i-trip, but I'm like yini enye ubuzoyenza ngoba bungeke usinike any drama, bungeke usinike lutho, you were just gonna be there nje. So if ngempela she does not like this whole thing, then ngempela she should stay away and just let the others shine because ngathi bayithanda idrama oMpumelelo noSneh. So yeah, other than that guys, that's all for me. Lokho nje bengifuna ukushare. Thank you guys so much for listening. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Ngingathanda nje ukwazi ukuthi ngicabangani about this whole season and ukuthi yini oyibhekile ukuthi ingenzeka kule season elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. I hope you guys have a good day. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Till next time. Bye.